Nongelam juga seng Bharatiya Janata Party hane kesengi haba keren berkinum tok kubor ulayada ya menteri rang baru kari Narendra Modi halor kejing sengap jar berkejing bom keren ai haba ide berkejing jia kabala jia ha kejela Manipur uni nongelam ke BJP ubadairu member of Legislative Council bat ubadairu Chief Whip jangka biha Assembly Dilip Kumar Jaiswal ulaong bau Home Minister Amit Shah ulalek Shah kejela Manipur bat Minister of State jangka tenat home Nityanan Rai uladon hakani kejela kumba arpos ni banpej halor kalong kaman jong kani kejela ulaban rapru da kabaong bau menteri rang badu kari utipha ya kalong kaman ha kejela Manipur bat udon kejingkerman bau menteri rang ba unselek Shah kejela Manipur banyak kendu bat kini kilanot.
I will communicate this suggestion to Prime Minister of the country. But as you know, one of the senior leader and the senior minister of our cabinet, Sri Amit Shah ji, has visited the Manipur, and from 20 days, Minister of State of Home, Mr. Nityanand Rai of the country, he is staying there. One central minister from 20 days he is in Manipur. Sir, आपके पास शायद इसका जानकारी नहीं हो. You have got no knowledge regarding this. One central minister is staying there from 20 days without any interval. Mr. Nityanand Rai, Minister of State, Home Affairs. So, government is very much serious, and your opinion is also welcome. I will communicate this.
No, but don't you think that after the minister had stayed there for 20 days, the situation is still the same? Don't you think that the Prime Minister should visit? That is my question.
That is your question?
Yeah.
Prime Minister should visit there? Yes, he will visit.
Okay, when?
That depends on the... I am representative of the party. I cannot say the date. But Prime Minister is very much aware with this problem, and he will really love with the Northeast people, and more than 50. I forget one thing. In 70 years of the many times Prime Minister visited the Northeast, and in 9 years more than 50 times 50 times Sri Narendra Modi ji visited the Northeast, and this is the real love with the Northeast of the Prime Minister. 50 times.
50 times.
हाँ.
बट सर अभी जिस जो कंडीशन है मणिपुर का वहाँ पर
ये आप सकारात्मक सोच रखें. Always believe on the positive thinking. Believe on the God and believe on the real effort to solve the problem. Don't be negative. कि आएंगे तो क्या होगा नहीं होगा. जब 370 कश्मीर में 370 सेक्शन को हटाने की बात हो रही थी, तो इसी कंट्री के अंदर टेररिस्ट के समर्थक बहुत सारे लोग, अलगाववादी नेता ने कहा था कि अगर 370 हटाया जाएगा तो पूरा देश जल जाएगा, और 370 कश्मीर से हटाया गया. तो सिचुएशन अलग अलग है कंट्री के डिफरेंट स्टेट्स का. मणिपुर का अपना सेंटिमेंट है, मेघालय का अपना सेंटिमेंट है, बट द मोदी गवर्नमेंट बिलीव ऑन द रीजनल सेंटिमेंट. मोदी गवर्नमेंट बिलीव ऑन द रीजनल सेंटिमेंट. दैट इज द बैरियर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. We respect the regional sentiment of all the Northeast states. And how can it will be solved? But the major condition or the major thinking of the Bharatiya Janata Party to respect the regional sentiment of the Northeast people. Sir, this is my answer.
आपको नहीं लगता है सर कि
फिर आप वहीं पर हैं? नहीं.